I want to talk about thrust vectoring because it's amazing. Is it like automatic or is there a switch where you can take it off?
It's all automatic and it's all run through the flight control system. So when I fly the airplane with flat out wire, and I'm basically pulling back on the stick and saying I want to go up or push forward and go down or roll left or right. And I'm basically just asking the airplane, this is what I want to do, and that's going to figure out what combination of flight controls it's going to give me to create the effect I'm asking for. And that effect, has a combination of flight controls or comes as a combination of the thrust vectoring. It really depends on my airspeed, my altitude, my angle of attack, my side slip. All those things go into what combination of flight controls I'm going to get, and that's just part of the whole holistic system of flight controls.